In the ever-changing and evolving world of HVAC, a few years can always mean big changes. However, these last few years have brought about unprecedented changes, keeping our industry on its toes. There's been an increased push since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic to improve indoor air quality within new and existing buildings to better protect our workforce. With growing occurrences of airborne viruses, wildfires, pollen, and more, it is increasingly important to provide buildings with high-efficiency air filtration and direct outside air systems. Often indoor air quality problems are from poor outdoor air quality, especially in urban areas where ventilation air brought in to meet minimum ventilation air requirements can be contaminated with ultrafine particles, odors, exhaust fumes, or even a combination of these contaminants. In states such as Washington, Oregon, and California, the standard for direct outside air is through an energy recovery ventilator that provides energy savings as well as an increased level of filtration. The market has also seen an increase in the use of ultraviolet light as a means of providing defense against biological contaminants in the airstream. There are three main factors that affect indoor air quality: ultrafine particles, vehicle emissions, smoke and black carbon, fine dusts, mold spores, bacteria, and viruses. Odors and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, chemicals, pet and body odors, paint and finishes, residue from smoke and plumbing gases, and biological contaminants, pollen, dust mites, mold and mold spores, bacteria, and viruses. In March 2022, the federal government launched the Clean Air in Buildings Challenge, which calls on all building owners and operators, schools, colleges, and universities, and other organizations to adopt key strategies to improve their indoor air quality in their buildings. The goal of the program is to make ventilation and air filtration enhancements that keep occupants safe. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention, also known as the CDC, is advocating for a system of layered safeguards to reduce exposure to the virus that causes COVID-19. Public health experts recommend using multiple mitigation strategies, including improvements to building ventilation to reduce the spread of disease and lower the risk of exposure. Code standard for ventilation and indoor air quality specifies minimum ventilation rates and other measures intended to provide indoor air quality that's acceptable to human occupants and that minimizes adverse health effects. The standard provides procedures and methods for meeting minimum ventilation and indoor air quality requirements. Since its original publication, this standard has been revised and enhanced to make it more than an air treatment and ventilation standard. This code signifies that indoor air quality goes beyond minimum ventilation requirements, and in recognition of those aspects of building systems, including equipment, filtration, controls, and more, that contribute to acceptable indoor air quality. Another key to maintaining high indoor air quality is monitoring and adjusting the ventilation based on occupancy. These are changes coming with the new 2021 code cycle, requiring enhanced controls to widen the scope of demand to control ventilation for high occupancy areas. With the addition of CO2 monitoring within the occupied spaces, the ventilation rates can be adjusted to provide an increased volume of outside air into the space. Increasing air changes improves air quality and helps remove particles within the space. Our AirReps experts use our vast industry knowledge to select and design the best custom solutions for each project. AirReps engineered solutions for clean outside air. Oxygenate, ultra-high efficiency energy recovery ventilators. Dynamic AQS, polarized, ultraviolet, and activated carbon filters. UV resources, ultraviolet filtration. Renew Air, high-efficiency energy recovery ventilators. AAF flanders, high-performance filters. Working with our team of experts here at AirReps, you can rest assured that the highest and most recent standards will always be considered as we design custom HVAC solutions tailored to each individual project. This ensures that each building, regardless of the operation inside, is up to date with the most innovative and safest air quality technology available.